G'day folks, welcome to An Idiot's Guide to Construction Insurance. Yeah, we called it that because, let's face it, construction insurance can be a bit confusing and vague at times, but it's also incredibly important for your construction business. So stick around, and by the end, machinery insurance, mobile plant insurance, and concrete delivery insurance will make a lot more sense. And don't worry, this lesson isn't just for idiots, it's for smart people too. Alright. Why should you buy insurance? There are generally 4 reasons: to protect your business, to safeguard your assets, to meet contract requirements, and to comply with local, state, and federal laws. Now let's break it down simply. When you buy an insurance policy, you're pooling your money with others who, like you, are worried about something going wrong. The insurance company bets they'll collect enough premiums to profit, even after paying out claims. You're betting that your monthly payments are worth it if a claim hits and they cover the massive bill. The bottom line? You never know what's coming. What if a worker damages a client's property with a piece of machinery? Or if a concrete delivery truck gets into an accident? As a business owner, you're financially on the hook for what goes wrong. That's why insurance is non-negotiable. Now let's talk about the risks of skipping insurance. Not having insurance for your business, whether it's machinery, mobile plant, or concrete delivery coverage, is a huge gamble. It's also illegal in many cases, and you're not going to grow a successful business without it. Without insurance, you'll struggle to land big projects. Clients and pros always check your coverage. Plus, the law often requires things like workers' compensation and commercial auto insurance, especially if you're operating heavy equipment or delivery trucks. Alright, let's dive into the types of construction insurance. First, machinery insurance. This is a must for contractors using heavy equipment like excavators, loaders, or cranes. It protects your business from the costs of damage to your equipment or damage caused by it. For example, if a crane tips over and smashes into a building, this policy could cover the repairs or replacement costs of the machine and any third-party property damage. Next up, mobile plant insurance. Perfect for contractors with mobile equipment like bulldozers or forklifts. This insurance covers your mobile plant against theft, damage, or breakdowns. It also protects you if your equipment causes injury or damage on a job site. Imagine a bulldozer accidentally tearing up a client's driveway. Mobile plant insurance has your back. And finally, concrete delivery insurance. Designed for businesses operating concrete trucks, this coverage handles legal bills, medical expenses, and property damage if your truck is involved in an accident. Whether you're delivering concrete or parked at a job, this insurance is critical. For instance, if a concrete truck rear-ends another vehicle, this policy steps in to cover the costs. Bonus tip: general liability and commercial auto insurance. General liability covers third-party bodily injury or property damage, and commercial auto covers medical bills, legal fees, and repairs if your business vehicles are in an accident. Want the full scoop? Check out the entire lesson, plus more, at truckinsuranceaq.com. Thanks for tuning in, folks.